Hi, everybody. This is Bob Umlas with tip 14 from my book. This isn't Excel, it's Magic. A book written in 2007. Doesn't have the latest and greatest dynamic arrays in it, but it has quite a few cool tips in it that should help you with your work. So this one is about using the right mouse click on a border. I just want to give you the URL to that website, to that book. Here it is. If you wanted to take a screenshot, you can have that. Or since this is obviously being played back, you can just pause it and get that URL. So I got here by clicking on a named range. An easy way to get back, a side tip, I can do an F5 go to or Control G and just hit the Enter key because it remembers where you came from. Okay, in this range, you can see the active cell has a formula in it, and there's a date value here that has a formula in it. And if I wanted to convert them all to values, I can do a copy paste special values. But there's a old trick that maybe aren't aware of. If I right mouse click the border and drag this range away, I'm presented with a bunch of options. And this one, copy here as values only, I can take advantage of that if I do it right on top of itself. You'll see what I mean in a moment. You can also look at these other options on your own, explore them. But if I right mouse click and drag that away, when I drag it right back, I get the same options. So copy here as values only. Watch this equals 30 plus 6 when I do that. They're all values. Nice and short. Hope you enjoyed that one. We'll get on with other tips shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye.